Hi everyone, this is a very different kind of video because today we are going to unbox the RX 7900 XTX from Powercolor. It's the Hellhound edition and it's a different kind of unboxing video because it's my RMA card. And you want to see what's happening to this RMA card. Trust me, don't switch away, you want to see this. To the background story. You can switch forward if you don't want to hear it, but to the background story, I bought the card end of April, which it was, end of April at the beginning of May. Since then, I had difficulties. I had driver timeouts and all sorts of trouble with my PC. To note, the older card works perfectly. It's installed in my computer at the moment. It works perfectly, so no issues. I went back and forth with the reseller and the manufacturer, got it replaced once. The problems persisted. I asked again for help, and instead of them giving me the money back because, I don't know, maybe I thought it might be hopeless, they gave me another card. Okay, I received it on Thursday or Friday, I can't remember. And the first thing I noticed, if you check out this package, the package is actually damaged here. I was like, what's going on here? Then I noticed over here, the seal is also broken. Usually, even if I get a used card from the manufacturer, I expect it to be sealed. So I know no one interfered with the card on the delivery process. So let's open it up. Already here we see there's some fingerprints on there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera because my camera is not the best one. You see some fingerprints here, some fingerprints here, some fingerprints over there, some over there. So clearly someone was touching the accessories, which means, it was probably used. So this is the new card. This is the Powercolor card. And the first thing I noticed, once fingerprints on here, like someone being with its fat fingers, and there is some kind of, I don't know, it looks like grease, dirt, or something else. Weird. This is absolutely weird. So I did check the screws. If the screws look like there has been interfered with, I cannot see if they are damaged. They are not really damaged, so that's okay. I wanted to pack this in, say, hey guys, did you just send me a used card? And if it was just a little bit of dirt, I wouldn't mind. But then I saw this. You see this in the camera? So these are the holes you use on the PCIe slot on the back of your case. They are scratched. Also, you can see this part of here is bent. I talked to the vendor, or vendor, reseller, whatever you want to call it in English. They said, oh, everything is fine. We sent you a card which should be usable. Honestly, I don't agree with this. I do not agree with this. I will see what measures I'm going to take because this is absolutely unacceptable. I could understand that during the RMA process, you get a sort of new card which has been tested. Maybe it came back from another customer, but honestly, if you tested, you could clean the card and you can make sure there's no damage. Why do you think this damage is problematic? This is the side you are showing to everyone through the window of your PC case. So always you will see these scratches. Sorry, this is unacceptable. This card costs around 1,000 euros. I expect more. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.